Hello, my name is Dr. P. I am a senior medical doctor. Today, I will explain in very simple language how babies develop in the womb, how the placenta forms, when to do scans, what to do and avoid in pregnancy, and possible pregnancy complications. Please watch till the end. Understanding these biological stages is essential for every expectant parent and family member. Let's begin. Each month, one ovary releases an egg. The egg enters the fallopian tube and waits. This waiting lasts about 24 hours. If sperm meets the egg, they join together. This is called fertilization. A unique new life has just been created. Immediately after fertilization, the fertilized egg starts dividing. One cell becomes 2, then 4, rapidly multiplying. The dividing embryo moves through the fallopian tube toward the uterus. This journey takes several days as it prepares to arrive. The embryo enters the uterine cavity and finds its place. The fertilized egg travels into the uterus and attaches to the uterine wall. This attachment is called implantation. Pregnancy has now begun. The baby is now connected to the mother. As the baby settles, the uterus begins its amazing transformation to support the new life. Pregnancy has now begun. It is a time of incredible transformation for the body. Many women begin to notice early symptoms almost immediately. Many women begin to notice missed period, breast tenderness, tiredness, frequent urination, mild lower abdominal discomfort, nausea and vomiting, morning sickness. This is caused by the rapid increase in your internal pregnancy hormones. Morning sickness usually starts around 5 to 6 weeks, worse in the morning but can happen anytime. Often improves by 12 to 14 weeks. Severe persistent vomiting is not normal and needs medical review. If you are struggling to keep food down, see a doctor. The hormone used to confirm pregnancy in urine tests is called HCG. This hormone signals the ovaries that pregnancy has occurred. This hormone signals the ovaries that pregnancy has occurred, keeps the pregnancy supported in early weeks, helps maintain the uterine lining. Before the placenta fully develops, the ovary produces hormones that help nourish and sustain the pregnancy. This is a critical time. This is very important. After implantation, part of the fertilized egg separates and forms the placenta. The placenta begins developing very early, around 5 weeks. How does it form? The placental tissue gently attaches to the uterine wall and connects to the mother's blood supply. It does not mix mother's blood directly. It does not mix mother's blood and baby's blood directly. Instead, nutrients pass from mother's blood into the placenta, then through the baby's blood vessels into the baby via the umbilical cord. The umbilical cord contains blood vessels that carry oxygen and nutrients. The umbilical cord contains blood vessels that carry oxygen and nutrients to the baby. It works efficiently every single second. The placenta becomes fully developed and fully functional by the end of the first trimester. Before it is fully mature, the pregnancy is supported by ovary hormones. After birth, the umbilical cord is cut and the placenta is delivered. This is the final stage of the birthing process. First trimester, 0 to 12 weeks. Heart starts beating at about 5 to 6 weeks. Brain and spinal cord form, arms and legs develop. All major organs begin forming. Second trimester, 13 to 27 weeks. Baby begins moving, organs mature. Baby can hear sounds, bones strengthen. Detailed anatomy scan is done. The baby floats in amniotic fluid, which protects them from bumps and helps their lungs and muscles develop properly. Third trimester, 28 to 40 weeks. Rapid weight gain, brain development, lungs mature. Baby turns head down. Full term is 37-40 weeks. Chemical substances called antibodies move from mother to baby for protection. This helps the baby fight infections after birth. According to global guidelines, first scan around 6 to 8 weeks to confirm pregnancy location, baby heartbeat, not ectopic pregnancy. Second scan 11-14 weeks. Detailed anatomy scan around 18 to 22 weeks to examine organs and structure. Growth scans in the third trimester if needed. Low-risk pregnancies may require fewer scans. High-risk pregnancies may require more frequent monitoring to ensure safety. What to do during pregnancy? Attend antenatal care early, take prescribed supplements, eat balanced diet, sleep well, exercise moderately, monitor baby movements. Gentle exercise like yoga or walking helps keep you strong and prepares your body for birth. Control blood pressure and sugar. WHO advises 8 visits. WHO recommends at least 8 antenatal contacts. What not to do? Do not take medications without doctor's prescription. Avoid alcohol. Avoid smoking. Avoid harmful herbal mixtures. Avoid late antenatal booking. Many medications are unsafe in pregnancy. Always consult a doctor before taking any medicine or herbal mixture. Pregnancy complications related to the placenta. Placenta previa. The placenta lies too low at the lower segment and covers the cervix. This can cause painless bleeding in late pregnancy. Delivery is usually by cesarean section. Safety is the priority. Placenta abruption. The placenta separates too early from the uterus, pulling away from the wall. This is an emergency. This can cause severe abdominal pain, vaginal bleeding, danger to mother and baby. It is an emergency. Go to the hospital immediately. Placenta accreta spectrum. The placenta grows too deeply into the uterine wall. It does not detach normally after delivery. This can cause severe bleeding after childbirth. These conditions are detected through proper antenatal care and scans at the clinic. Why early antenatal care saves lives? Regular visits allow doctors to detect high blood pressure, detect diabetes, monitor baby growth, identify placenta problems, prevent complications early. Healthy mother means healthy baby. Every checkup counts toward a healthy start for your little one. Final message. A baby begins as one cell. That cell divides, forms tissues, creates a placenta, develops organs, and becomes a full human being. Pregnancy is natural, but it must be monitored properly. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and follow Dr. P for trusted medical education. Remember, care continues after birth. Postpartum checkups ensure the mother recovers and the baby is thriving in their new home. Know the signs of labor, strong contractions, or water breaking. If these happen, proceed to the hospital immediately. Stay calm and follow your birth plan. Partner support is key. Helping with daily needs and providing emotional comfort makes a massive difference for the mother's well-being. Thank you for watching. Follow us for trusted medical education. We are here for you every step of the way. Goodbye for now and stay healthy.